I have a 3-inch trifold memory foam mattress that I just love, and I need to show it to you. All right, we got this amazing trifold memory foam mattress. As you can see, very portable, very easy to carry around with you. If you travel a lot, if you go camping, this is amazing, but also just an amazing mattress to just use every day at your house. Can be put on a bed, can be used as a mattress topper, or can straight up just be set on the floor. And as you can see, unfolds in a second, less than a second if you want. And you got a bed. And straight up, dude, if you got a hardwood floor, you got this mattress, you're on a mattress. Like this is really all you need for sleeping. So very comfortable, and definitely the memory foam vibe I really like. It's flying off the shelves on Amazon. Everyone is buying it. And then when you're done, say you're traveling, when you're done, you wake up in the morning, fold it right up, you're ready to go. So great mattress, highly recommend.